Hello, today I'm going to show you the process for making a home page in Canvas. The first thing you're going to do is log into your Canvas account, and then you're going to open the course that you want to add the home page to. The default mode for Canvas is to have the home page be the module page. It's not a very engaging page for students, and so to help your students be excited and engaged with the course, it can be a good idea to add a more decorative and informative home page. To do that, we're going to come over here and click on Pages. Right now we have no pages created. To create a page, we can click plus page over here on the right hand side of the screen. And we probably want to call this our home page. You have perhaps already chosen a banner image that you want to go across the top of your page. To add your banner image, you are going to click on the embed image icon here. We want our file to be in Canvas, so we're going to click on Canvas and then Course Files, and then we're going to come down here to Upload File to select the file that we want. The file that I've chosen is called Chemistry Banner, so I'm going to select this file and add it there. We can call this a decorative image. This is important for accessibility for screen readers. If you have an image that is important to the content of your page, you should change the alt text from the name of the image to a description of the image. In this case, this is simply a decorative image, so we don't need the screen reader to read it for us. So we'll click the decorative image box. An ideal width for a banner in Canvas is about 1,000 pixels, so we'll change that to 1,000 pixels to make sure our picture is the right size. And then we will click Update. So we have now added our banner to the top of our page. Next, perhaps we want to add some text welcoming students to our class. We can, just like in a word processing app, we can align our text to the left, to the center, or to the right. I think perhaps we want this to be center aligned as we say welcome to chemistry. Now this is very small. We probably want this text to be bigger. So right here, instead of 12-point font, perhaps we want 24-point font. We also have a lot of other choices for what we can do with our text. We can make it bold. We can make it italicized. We can underline it. We can change the text color. We can give it a background color. Or if we look at this and decide that this is all too much, we can go back to our original by clicking Clear Formatting. Now I do want it to be center aligned and 24-point font, and I think maybe a nice purple color to match our banner. So there's our welcome to chemistry. Now perhaps you want to tell your students a little about yourself. You probably don't want this in 24-point font. Maybe we go down to 14-point and maybe we left align it, but we can say, hi, I'm Mrs. Dubik, your chemistry teacher this year. I'm looking forward to getting to know you as the year progresses. This is my 6th year teaching chemistry, and it gets better every year. I hope to inspire you to become interested in the matter and energy that surrounds us. All right, that's nice, but maybe you want your students to see a picture of what you look like as well. You can add a picture of yourself also. We will do that the same way that we did to add our banner. We're going to click Embed Image. We're going to upload a file into our course files in Canvas. And we choose the image we want. Now this one we do want our screen readers to be able to read, so we will call this picture of teacher. This is much too big for what we need. We need it to be maybe 200 by 266 pixels. So we will choose that. Now let's right justify our picture. So we click on our picture and click Align Right, and then we can sort of drag it to where we want it to be here. My text got cut a little bit there. All right, and then maybe down below that we want to add some more information. Maybe we want to say this class meets from 9 to 10 a.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. Maybe you want to include a Zoom link or links to some other resources or something like that, more pictures even. You can add what you would like here. But for our purposes of just an introduction, let's say this is what we want to have for our home page. So down here at the bottom, we are going to click Save and Publish. The publish part is very important. You cannot set a page as your home page unless it is a published page. So we are going to Save and Publish, and we can take a look at what we've created here. So we have our chemistry banner at the top. Welcome to chemistry, some information about the teacher and when the class meets. So we have a start of our page here. Now, even though we've called this our home page, if we click on Home, it is still going to take us to the Canvas modules. We still have another step that we need to do. So we're going to go back to our pages here. And over here, we are going to say that we want to use this home page as our front page for pages. So this is now our front page. It still isn't our home page yet, but it is our front page. And then we're going to come back over here to Home. And here on the right hand side where it says Choose Home Page, we are going to select our page's front page. So that page that we just made is now going to become the first page that our students see when they enter our course. So here we have the page that we created, and as soon as the student opens up the course, this is the page that they see. I hope that this was helpful for you. Good luck creating your Canvas home pages.